कभी अलविदा ना
Good evening, all of you. Okay. Those who didn't get a roll number today, I will give you the roll number. I will send the roll number for you people. But always enter with only 2 digits. 010203 space name. 2 digits roll number space name. No hash, no dot, no arrow, nothing. Roll number space name. This should be the way of entering the meeting. If I don't see anybody not enter with the proper roll number, I'll quit them. Those who didn't get roll number, today I'll see that you get it. Okay? Not chat. Viraj, you should not chat. While entering the meeting, there you type, Viraj. In front of your name, while entering the meeting, no, there you type roll number and name. While entering the meeting, not SMS, message. Not necessary to message me. Don't put a dash also. Don't put a dash also. Roll number space name. Roll number space name. '51 Shreyas present, but 51 you're not entered a proper number in the list. It is not showing, man. Akshay, I think you are given roll number 1, Akshay. Akshay CH. 2 Akshay's are there.
Ashrit roll number 1.
Ashrit roll number 1. No, sorry. Akshay, check your roll number, okay? CH Akshay 5. Vaishnavi, tomorrow I'll give you your roll number, okay? Now I think we will start. There are 2 Shreyas, huh? Okay, I'll check. 3 Shreyas. Okay, there are 3 Shreyas. Okay. Okay, today 1 hour I'll take mathematics, 40 minutes I'll take chemistry today. Okay, today I'll teach both the subjects. Start mathematics. So before I start the exercise, let me remind you once again about Thales theorem and converse. What is Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to any one side, it cuts the other two sides in the same ratio. What is converse? If a line cuts two sides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to third side. This is converse. I hope all of you perfect with these two theorems. Okay. Now we have done first and second main. Am I right? We have to start third main, correct? Okay, start with the third main. In the figure 6.18, we will start. Just observe. Just observe. Afterwards, you can write. Geometry is full of logic. If you try to write down and memorize or by the things, you are never going to get good marks in geometry. Geometry is a subject of logic. You should think and write. You should think and understand. If you are not ready to think and understand, you will never understand geometry. Therefore, I request you to please observe the solution, then you start writing. For your sake, whatever diagram I am going to show in the figure, I'll write it separately for your purpose and explain to you people. But still, if you don't put any effort, then it's of no use. It is not that I only will put all the effort. No, you should also put equal efforts. Now carefully observe. Look, given LM is parallel to BC. Look here. Now look only this part of the diagram. This is A, B, C. This is M, this is L. Look only this part of the diagram. So look at a triangle ABC. All of you looking at triangle ABC, just observe. Afterwards you can write observe. LM is parallel to BC. Why? It is given in the question. You can see in the list given. Now, whenever a line is parallel to any one side, you know that it cuts the remaining two sides in the same ratio because of Thales theorem. Therefore, I can write AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC because of Thales theorem. Thales theorem. Or BPT or BPT. Now look at the answer. Below AM, I want AB. AM I got, but I have MB. I don't want MB. To get AB, I'll apply componendo. Apply componendo. Apply componendo. What is this componendo? Whenever A upon B is equal to C upon D is there, I can write it as A upon A plus B is equal to C upon C plus D. A upon B is equal to C upon D. Therefore, A upon A plus B is equal to C upon C plus D. Therefore, what happens? AM upon. Now see what is AM plus MB. What is AM plus MB? Yes, AM plus MB is AB. AB is equal to AL upon what is AL plus LC? AL plus LC is AC. I hope it is now clear for everybody. I hope it is clear for everybody. Okay. Now look here. This is, I will call equation 1. I got AM upon AB. I got this equation 1. If you have doubt, you please immediately chart with me. I will be observing the chart. Okay. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts. If you want to speak, you tell me to unmute your audio. I will unmute your audio. You can also speak to me. Not necessary you have to chat. But if your doubt is so clear, then you chat with me. I will unmute your audio. Then you can definitely communicate with me. Prarthana. Yawwa, Matos explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಯವ್ವ? Yava, Thales theorem, why? Noda triangle iti. A line is drawn parallel to one side. How the Thales theorem apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋಯವ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋದ. ಇದು A ಐತಿ, ಇದು B ಐತಿ, ಇದು C ಐತಿ, ಇದು M ಐತಿ, ಇದು L ಐತಿ. ಯವ Thales theorem apply ಮಾಡಿನ why? AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC. I have applied component of ಬರ್ಸಿ ನೋಡುವ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. Component or dividend or alternate or inverted or node ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Whenever A upon B is equal to C upon D is there, A upon A plus B is equal to C upon C plus D. Why I applied component of? There is the reason. Because I got MB, but I want AB in the answer. Yava, ಇಷ್ಟು simple logic ತಿಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗವಾ ಯವ್ವ? ನೋಡುವ. Thank you, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ. ನೋಡುವ. ಈಗ your attention, don't get distracted. Now look at this bottom part of the figure. Okay, look at this. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is NL. Okay, it is given to us NL is parallel to DCC. It is given to us in triangle ADC. NL is parallel to DC. Who said given in the question? When I say given, it should be here. I am going slow because it is a difficult chapter. Okay, therefore I am going slow. Please, all of you practice every day. Okay. Now, whenever a line is drawn parallel to one side, it cuts the remaining two sides in the same ratio. It is parallel to this. Therefore, these two sides are cut in the same ratio. Therefore, AN upon ND is equal to AL upon LC. Who said? Because of Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Who said? BPT said. Okay. Next. AN I got. I want AD below, but I have only ND. Therefore, apply componendo. Apply componendo. A upon B is equal to C upon D means A upon A plus B is equal to C upon C plus D. AN plus ND is what? AN plus ND is what? AD. AL plus LC is what? AC. Call it as equation 2. Okay. Now observe. Now observe carefully. Look at equation 1 and 2. Look here. These two things are equal to same. Can you see? These two things are equal to same. Things equal to same are equal to one another. Who said this? I didn't say. Euclid said. When? In 9th standard only he said. It doesn't mean that it is not good for 10th standard. Throughout your life you can apply this. Things equal to same are equal to one another. These two things are equal to same. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, as these two things are equal to same, these two things are also equal to one another. AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. That is the proof. Proved. That is the proof. See, I got it exactly. Is it clear? This is how you have to prove it. Okay, sir, is it possible the ratio of EC is equal for both, so we can solve? Let's see the ratio of inverse. Prasanna, I can unmute you because I didn't understand your question. Okay. Prasanna, you can speak now. What about Prasanna?
So it is clear, sir.
It is clear, Prasanna?
Yes, yes, sir.
Anybody has doubt, you can please talk to me. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, okay, thank you. So two things you remember, whenever they give line parallel, you can apply Thales theorem. You can write two sides proportional. Then whenever they give two sides proportional, You can take your time to write. All are similar to this. Next question. Mani sir, how we should come to know what we should apply component of? अरे यार, when you want to add the numerator to denominator, apply component हो. Next question. All are same type. All are same type here. Okay. Once again, your attention once again, carefully. Okay. Look. proof. Any doubt? Chart, or I will allow to speak. But understand, don't be in a hurry to write. Writing is not the primary importance of this class. DE is parallel to AC. Look at this diagram. Why? Given. Correct? Correct? So if a line is drawn parallel, what we should do? Apply Thales theorem. Apply Thales theorem. B is, this we get. BE upon EC, we get this. BE upon EC. BE upon EC is equal to BD upon DA. Because of Thales theorem or basic proportional theorem. No hurry to write. Slowly. No hurry, slowly. Okay? I got this. Take this triangle. Look at this. DF is parallel to A. Take this triangle now. Look at this. In triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. Always you should give the reason behind your statement. Why you wrote this? Because it is given in the question. I can apply Thales theorem. Therefore, I want this here. BF upon FE. BD upon D. Call it as equation 2 because of Thales theorem. Because of Thales theorem. Look at 1 and 2. 1 and 2. These two things are equal to same. Am I right? Two things equal to same. What did Euclid say in his postulate? Things equal to same are equal to one another. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, what we can say? BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. Is it same? Yes. Prove. Is it clear to all of you? Now start writing. Sorry. ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಬೋರ್ಡರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದ್ರಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಾದಾ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಾಳೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು Any doubt? Feel free to ask now. You have to re-log in again. Next question. Fifth question. Look here. Okay, look here. If you have understood the logic, if you understood the logic by now, you can do it by yourself. Don't require any teacher. Look here. T is parallel to OQ. Look at this part. You have to see the triangle where there is parallel and apply Thales theorem. Every time do the same thing. No intelligence is required for this. It is not a big deal to understand geometry. Very simple it is. In triangle POQ, ED is parallel to OQ. Why? Why? It is given. Have you written it in given? Yes, you have written it. Therefore, what you can apply? Thales theorem. P upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. Why? Because of basic proportionality theorem. What is big deal? We already applied 5 to 6 times. No big deal. Now, BF is parallel to OR. Now take this. In triangle POR, BF is parallel to OR. Again, why? Every time you write, why should be always be asked? Why? Given. Can I apply Thales theorem? Yes. PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. Why? Basic proportionality theorem. Look at equation 1 and 2. These two things are equal to same. Things equal to same are equal to one another. Who said? I didn't say. Thales. Euclid's postulates. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon P upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Why? Things equal to same are equal to one another. Now, what is this? What is this? See here. P, Q, R. Can you say? E is here. F is here. Only see this much. What is P upon EQ? This ratio. What is PF upon FR? This ratio. The line cuts two sides in the same ratio. What is the meaning of this? The meaning is two sides are cut in the same ratio. If two sides are cut in the same ratio, then the line is parallel. Who said this? Converse of Thales theorem said this. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR because of theorem 6.2. Because of converse of Thales theorem or converse of BPT. I hope it is clear. Any doubt, please chat with me. We can do chata chati if you want. Great. So wherever it is, I am applying only two theorems. Thales theorem, converse. Thales, converse.